If you want to learn how to add a domain to Hostinger, you're in the right place. In this quick step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your domain inside the Hostinger dashboard, so you can get your website set up the right way without confusion or wasted time. Whether you already bought your domain or you're preparing to launch a new site, this process is simple once you know where to click. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, log into your Hostinger account and open your Hostinger dashboard. This is the main control center where you can manage your websites, domains, hosting, and all the important settings for your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Websites section on the left side or in the main menu area. Click on Websites to open your site management options. Now, inside the Websites area, you'll see the option to Add Website. Go ahead and click Add Website. This is the step where Hostinger starts guiding you through the setup process for a new website. If you already have a hosting plan, this is where you can connect a domain and begin building your site in one place. After that, Hostinger will ask you to choose a template. You can pick a template that fits the style or purpose of your website. Don't worry too much about getting this perfect right now, because the main goal is to get your domain connected first and move forward with the setup. Choose the option that makes the most sense for your project and continue. Once the website setup step is complete, you'll see the option to connect a domain. This is the most important part of the process. Click Connect Domain, then enter your domain name carefully into the field provided. Make sure you type it exactly as it should appear, because even a small typo can cause issues later. After entering your domain, follow the on-screen prompts to finish linking it to your Hostinger website. If your domain is already registered somewhere else, Hostinger may guide you through pointing it properly or assigning it to your hosting account. If you just purchased the domain and it's already in your Hostinger account, the connection process is usually even faster. Either way, the key is to make sure the domain is attached to the correct website so visitors can reach your live page. Before you finish, take a moment to double-check everything. Confirm that the website you selected is the one you want to use, and confirm that the domain name is correct. Once everything looks good, save your changes and let Hostinger complete the setup. Depending on your domain provider and DNS settings, it may take a little time for the connection to fully update across the internet. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a domain to Hostinger using the dashboard, the website section, the Add Website button, and the domain connection step. It's a simple process, but following it in the right order makes everything much easier. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step website and hosting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.